Give me less than 5 minutes and I'll show you how to use your current Tradovate accounts in the new Tradesea platform that just launched in the prop firm space. So you need first a Tradovate account, right? Whether you're using a prop firm or a personal account, I'm using Top on Futures, so you need a Tradovate account. Then to be able to use this platform, Tradesea, that just launched, I've previously made a video on how to use it both on your desktop device and mobile as well. So how do you use this platform with your current Tradovate accounts? Well, we're going to be doing that through a software called Tradesyncer. Now, to use this software, we also need a Tradesea account first, and the best platform to use that will be Lucid Trading. As you can see, Tradesea is one of their supported partners. So go scroll down. They have a couple of different plans here. My favorite is the Lucid Flex. Right now, they are running a 50% off sale. So even bigger than what you see right here, the $91 for the $50,000 account. If you go select the platform, make sure you select the Rithmic feed, Tradesea. Click on that. And as the checkout page, use code STASH. Apply. You'll see you'll get a 50% off sale at $65 one-time price, not even a monthly price or an activation fee. So once you get that account, then log into Tradesyncer. If you don't have an account yet, there is a free trial, 7-day free trial, code TLKV, completely risk-free. You could give it a try, see if it works for you or not. But once you have Tradesyncer, once you've got your Lucid Trading account, you will log into your Tradesyncer account, which the first page looks kind of like this. And it says add your first connection. Here, we're going to add those connections. So let's first add our Top 1 Futures account, add connection, Top 1 Futures, Tradovate, right? You can use any other platform if you wish, Tradovate, and then click continue. It will send us to the Tradovate page, username, password, login. It will verify the credentials. And it says success, connection added. And then all you got to do is go to details and turn your accounts. Okay, I have loaded one of my Top 1 Future accounts here. Okay, next thing to do is add our Lucid Trading account. So Lucid Trading, Tradesea, make sure the Rithmic is selected as your broker. And here on the broker's side, select Lucid Trading. Right there. And then here, use the username and password that Lucid Trading provided you with to use Rithmic, okay? And once you do that, click connect. It will start making this connection happen. And once again, we have successfully added this connection. Go to details, add this other account as well. Okay, now that we have one account on each one of these connections, set a leader account at the top right corner. Set the leader account. We want to use Tradesea as our leader account, right? So we want to use Tradesea as our main execution platform. So we can now have those Tradovate accounts copying the same trades, right? Without us even using Tradovate. So click change leader. Now make sure you select this as a follower. Okay, your Tradovate account is a follower. And there you have it. Now, all we got to do is test if this actually works out. So the moment of truth, we have Tradesea and we have Tradovate. I'm going to try to open a trade here in Tradesea. Let's go on MES. So it's not something as risky. One contract. I'm going to click the sell button. We are in this position. Let's see if it's gotten executed on Tradovate as well. And there it is, right? That same order. Here it got filled at 68.59.25. Here got filled at 68.59.25. That same order fill, no lag whatsoever. And it's actually going to profits. Now, if you go to our positions on Tradesyncer, you can actually see that it's updating in real time as well, how much we're up or down. Well, Tradovate looks like it's having some refresh connections there, but we are in that position and it shows us 2 positions running, right? So we are open on both of those positions. If we decide to close this position here, we are out and we should be out right here as well. And there we are, $4 in profit, just like that. So hopefully this video helped. I do have a full walkthrough video on how Tradesea works. And I also do have a full walkthrough video on how you can actually use Tradesyncer to your advantage to make these connections and get many more other advantages. And always, if you did like this video, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button.